Hey there, gearheads and grease monkeys. Whether you're a seasoned pro or just starting out, you're in for a treat. Welcome to a world where horsepower reigns supreme and steel titans rule the roost. This is where the magic happens, where raw power meets human ingenuity. We're about to dive headfirst into the thrilling world of heavy machinery, where skilled operators push these mechanical marvels to their limits. Imagine the roar of engines, the clanking of metal, and the sheer force of these behemoths as they reshape our world. But before we get our hands dirty, let's talk safety. Safety is the cornerstone of any successful operation. It's not just about wearing the right gear, it's about understanding the risks and knowing how to mitigate them. These jobs are not for the faint of heart. They require a unique blend of physical strength, mental acuity, and emotional resilience. Every day on the job is a test of your skills and your nerve. They demand precision, guts, and a healthy respect for the awesome power these machines possess. One slip, one moment of inattention, and the consequences can be dire. One wrong move can mean the difference between a job well done and a disaster. That's why training and experience are so crucial in this line of work. It's not just about knowing how to operate the machinery, it's about understanding the environment and anticipating potential hazards. So, buckle up and let's get this show on the road. We're about to embark on a journey through the world of heavy machinery, where every day brings new challenges and new opportunities for innovation. These aren't your average desk jobs, folks. This is a world where the stakes are high and the rewards are even higher. We're talking about the men and women who build our roads, bridges, and skyscrapers. These are the unsung heroes who work tirelessly to create the infrastructure that keeps our world moving. They brave the elements, conquer challenging terrain, and sometimes even cheat death to get the job done. Rain or shine, day or night, these workers are out there making sure that our cities and towns continue to grow and thrive. From the heart-stopping near misses to the ingenious solutions that save the day, every moment on the job is a testament to their skill and dedication. It's a world where quick thinking and adaptability are key. We're about to witness the grit, determination, and sheer skill that defines these heavy machinery heroes. These are the people who turn blueprints into reality, who transform raw materials into the structures that shape our lives. So, get ready for a wild ride. We're going to explore the highs and lows, the triumphs and challenges, and the incredible stories of the people who make it all happen. This is the world of heavy machinery, and it's more exciting than you could ever imagine. As we delve deeper, we'll meet the individuals who bring these machines to life. From the seasoned veterans with decades of experience to the rookies just starting out, each has a unique story to tell. Training is a critical part of this world. It's where knowledge is passed down, where the next generation of operators learns the ropes. It's a blend of classroom instruction and hands-on experience, designed to prepare workers for the challenges they'll face on the job. Maintenance is another crucial aspect. These machines are powerful, but they're also complex and require regular upkeep to stay in top condition. Skilled technicians work tirelessly behind the scenes, ensuring that every piece of equipment is ready for action. Inspections are thorough and meticulous. Every bolt, every wire, every component is checked and double-checked. It's a process that demands attention to detail and a deep understanding of the machinery. Fine-tuning is an art form in itself. It's about making those small adjustments that can make a big difference in performance. It's a skill that comes with experience and a keen eye for detail. Operating these machines is a dance of precision and power. It's about knowing your equipment inside and out, understanding its capabilities and limitations, and using that knowledge to get the job done safely and efficiently. And when everything comes together, when the job is done and done well, there's a sense of accomplishment that's hard to beat. It's a feeling of pride, of knowing that you've played a part in building something that will stand the test of time. So, as the sun sets on another day in the world of heavy machinery, we salute the men and women who make it all possible. Their hard work, dedication, and skill are what keep our world moving forward. Get ready for an adventure like no other. This is the world of heavy machinery, and it's a wild ride from start to finish. Welcome to the big leagues. Our first stop takes us to a bustling construction site, where the hum of heavy machinery fills the air and the ground trembles under the weight of massive equipment. The site is a hive of activity, with workers in hard hats and reflective vests moving purposefully amidst the organized chaos. At the heart of this operation is a seasoned excavator operator, a veteran of countless construction projects. His experience is evident in the way he handles the machine, with a blend of finesse and raw power that only years of practice can bring. Today, his task is to carve out the foundation for a new high-rise building. The stakes are high, and precision is paramount. Every scoop of earth he removes brings the project one step closer to completion. The air is thick with the smell of diesel and dust, a testament to the hard work being done. The excavator's massive arm swings with precision, guided by the operator's skilled hands. It's a dance of machinery and man, each movement deliberate and calculated. The steel teeth of the excavator bite into the earth, tearing through soil and rock with ease. Each scoop is a testament to the power and efficiency of modern engineering. But this isn't just another day at the office. The operator knows that every moment on the job carries inherent risks. As he maneuvers the excavator closer to the edge of the excavation, he remains vigilant, aware of the potential dangers that lurk beneath the surface. As the operator maneuvers the excavator closer to the edge of the excavation, the ground suddenly gives way. Without warning, the ground beneath the excavator begins to crumble. The once solid earth shifts and gives way, creating a perilous situation. The massive machine lurches precariously, its tracks dangling over the edge. The weight of the excavator causes the ground to shift even more, exacerbating the danger. In this heart-stopping moment, the excavator teeters on the brink of disaster. The operator's years of experience and training are put to the ultimate test. Time seems to stand still as the operator, caught completely off guard, fights to regain control. His hands move swiftly, adjusting the controls with precision and care. With nerves of steel and lightning-fast reflexes, he manages to stabilize the excavator. His quick thinking and expert handling prevent what could have been a catastrophic accident. The excavator narrowly avoids a catastrophic plunge into the excavation site. It's a close call, a reminder of the fine line between control and chaos in the world of heavy machinery. This incident serves as a stark reminder of the ever-present dangers that heavy machinery operators face on a daily basis. The risks are real, and the consequences of a mistake can be severe. For these operators, staying alert and maintaining focus is not just important, it's a matter of life and death. The importance of vigilance in the driver's seat cannot be overstated. Every decision, every movement must be made with care and precision. Safety protocols are in place to mitigate these risks, but the human element is always a factor. Operators must rely on their training, their instincts, and their ability to remain calm under pressure. Teamwork and communication are also crucial. On a construction site, every worker plays a role in ensuring the safety and success of the project. The operator's quick reflexes and the support of his team are what make the difference in moments of crisis. Despite the challenges and dangers, the work continues. The foundation for the new high-rise is successfully carved out, a testament to the skill and determination of the construction team. As the day comes to a close, the operator reflects on the day's events. There's a sense of accomplishment in knowing that, despite the risks, the job was done safely and effectively. The sun sets over the construction site, casting a golden glow over the machinery and workers. It's the end of another day in the life of an excavator operator, a day marked by hard work, skill, and the ever-present need for vigilance. As the site quiets down and the machinery is turned off, there's a moment of peace. The day's work is done, but the lessons learned and the experiences gained will carry forward to the next project. The operator walks away from his machine, a sense of pride in his stride. He knows that his role is crucial, and that his skills and dedication are what keep the wheels of progress turning. The construction site is ready for the next phase of the project, thanks to the hard work and expertise of the team. It's a never-ending cycle of building, learning, and growing. The excavator stands as a symbol of the construction industry, a powerful tool in the hands of skilled operators, capable of transforming landscapes and building the future. As the construction workers head home, there's a sense of camaraderie and shared purpose. They know that tomorrow will bring new challenges and new opportunities to prove their mettle. Night falls over the construction site and the world of heavy machinery rests for a few hours. But the work is never truly done. The cycle will begin anew with the dawn, and the excavator will once again roar to life, ready to take on whatever challenges lie ahead. Next up, we're heading to a quarry, a place where the Earth's treasures are unearthed and transformed into works of art and architecture. Here, massive blocks of pristine white marble are being extracted from the earth. These blocks, each weighing several tons, are destined to become the elegant countertops, statues, and buildings that grace our world. In this rugged environment, skilled operators maneuver their wheel loaders with the grace of ballerinas. They navigate the uneven terrain, carefully lifting the heavy blocks with a precision that belies the sheer power of their machines. These aren't your average loads. One wrong move could spell disaster for both the valuable marble and the operator. The stakes are high and the margin for error is razor thin. The operators make it look easy, but it's a delicate dance of precision and power. Each movement is calculated, each action deliberate as they work to ensure the marble is handled with the utmost care. They use the wheel loader's powerful hydraulics to gently lift the marble blocks. The hydraulics provide the muscle, but it's the operator's skill that ensures the movements are slow and calculated, preventing any damage to the precious stone. They know that even a slight miscalculation could send these heavyweights crashing to the ground, shattering the pristine stone into a million pieces. The consequences of such a mistake are not just financial, but also a loss of irreplaceable natural beauty. It's a testament to their skill and experience that they can handle such valuable cargo with such care. These operators are the unsung heroes of the quarry, ensuring that each block of marble is safely transported from the earth to its next destination. The wheel loaders themselves are marvels of engineering. Their hydraulic systems are designed to provide immense lifting power while allowing for precise control. The operator's hands move deftly over the controls, each motion a blend of strength and finesse. As the wheel loaders move through the quarry, they are a vital part of a larger symphony of activity. Each machine, each operator, plays a crucial role in the extraction process, working in harmony to achieve a common goal. Once the marble blocks are lifted and transported, they are carefully loaded onto trucks. These trucks will carry the marble to processing facilities where it will be cut, polished, and transformed into the final products we see in our homes and cities. The work is demanding, both physically and mentally. Operators often take short breaks to rest and recharge, sharing a moment of camaraderie with their colleagues. It's a tough job, but the sense of accomplishment is immense. As the day comes to an end, the wheel loaders are parked and the quarry falls silent. The operators head home, knowing that they have played a crucial role in bringing the Earth's treasures to the surface. Their work is done for the day, but the quarry will come alive again tomorrow and the dance of the wheel loaders will continue.